How many reports are needed to delete Instagram account? So first thing you should know that Instagram does not delete an account simply based on the number of reports it receives. The number of reports alone does not trigger an automatic deletion of an account. First of all, Instagram reviews each report individually to determine if the reported content or account violates its community guidelines or terms of use. When Instagram receives a report, it is reviewed by their team to assess whether the reported content or account violates their community guidelines. Instagram uses a combination of technology and human review to evaluate reports. But if the reporting really helps to delete the account, it must be a mass report or as many reports as you can. At least 3 reports are must needed for the Instagram support to get concerned. If you are going to do the mass report, at least 4 to 5 people must be ready to report the account. Also, you have to make sure once you have reported the account, you have to leave a gap for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour before reporting from another account. For the mass report that you're gonna do, first of all, you need to head over to the profile of the person that you're gonna report. Then click on the 3 dot at the top right corner. The option of report will be visible to you. All you wanna do is click on it and then follow the on-screen process. Once the process is completed, the account will be reported successfully and then you'll be good to go. So this is the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.